What if you could build your dream store without a developer, without the complexity, without the cost? We asked that question and we spent 9 years answering it. 9 years ago, it was just an idea. This is what it became. A small idea that found its first 10,000 believers, that spread beyond 25 countries, that powered over 60,000 stores. That grew into one of the most trusted all-in-one WooCommerce plugins in the world. 9 years, still growing. 100,000 plus store owners wake up every day and choose us. 5 million plus times someone believed enough to download. 120 plus countries each want a new beginning. A dedicated team that shows up every day for you. Building a WooCommerce store used to mean hiring expensive developers, waiting weeks for simple changes, paying thousands for basic features, settling for generic, forgettable designs. For many store owners, it felt slow, costly, and unnecessarily complicated. We knew there had to be a better way. And that's why 100,000 plus stores choose ShopLentor. For faster setup, for stronger branding, for higher conversions, and for simplified WooCommerce operations. That's why we built ShopLentor to help WooCommerce store owners design, customize, and grow their stores with less complexity. A smoother checkout experience helps reduce friction and encourages more customers to complete their orders. Countdown timers create urgency when customers are ready to buy. Variation swatches make colors, sizes, and styles easier to explore. Size guides help customers choose confidently and reduce size-related confusion. Product badges highlight what matters most: offers, best sellers, new arrivals, and limited-time deals. And with a currency switcher, your store can feel more local to customers around the world. Today, ShopLentor brings together 35 plus powerful modules, 129 plus Elementor widgets, 87 plus Gutenberg blocks, and 110 plus ready-made templates, all built to help you create better WooCommerce stores faster. 9 years of building, 9 years of learning, 9 years of growing with you. Thank you for trusting us. Thank you for building with us. Here's to 9 years of ShopLentor, and to everything we'll build together next.